Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English unit number 6, page number 87 and 88. Students, now let us start reading for understanding. Find the words and phrases in the text which mean number 1 without being interfered with. Paragraph number 1 आंसर नोट करें undisturbed. Next number 2 more and more. Paragraph number 2 आंसर नोट करें increasingly. Next number 3 not having a job. Paragraph number 2 आंसर नोट करें unemployment. Next number 4 to stay alive. Paragraph number 3 आंसर नोट करें survive. Next number 5 soon to be extinct. Paragraph number 3 आंसर नोट करें close to extinction. Next number 6 national inheritance. Paragraph number 4 आंसर नोट करें heritage. Next number 7 inner parts of the body. Paragraph number 5 आंसर नोट करें internal organs. Next number 8 influenced. Paragraph number 6 आंसर नोट करें affected. Next number 9 hard difficult. Paragraph number 7 आंसर नोट करें harsh. Next topic antonyms using the prefixes an and anti. In unit 3 we learned about some prefixes. A. The prefix an changes the meaning of the stem word and makes a word that means the opposite of the stem word. Another word for an opposite is an antonym. Stem word antonym with prefix an: happy, unhappy, usual, unusual, reliable, unreliable. We found 2 examples of words in the text with the prefix an in our answers. To find the words and phrases exercised above, they are unemployment, undisturbed. You now have 5 examples of an prefix words. Write down each stem word and each prefixed word in separate lists and 4 more examples of your own. B. The prefix anti means against, in opposition to. There is sometime a hyphen between anti and the rest of the word. Derivation: anti comes from the ancient Greek meaning in opposition to. Next, page number 88. Can you find the word in the text with the prefix anti? It is anti-poaching patrols. People who protest against their country's government are called anti-government protesters. With your class partner. Number 1. Fill in the gaps in the following 2 sentences. Sentence A. People who are suffering from malaria are given dash drugs. इस fill in the blank में राइट करना है एंटीबायोटिक. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस बी. The riot police were called out when the dash protesters became violent. इस fill in the blank में राइट करना है एंटी गवर्नमेंट. Next, number 2, think of 2 more examples of words with the anti prefix. आंसर नोट करें, एंटी सोशल, एंटी क्लाइमेक्स, ETC. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.